Hi, this is Scott Lindsay, Development Manager at XLAutomation. Just going to give you a quick demonstration on a workbook we've developed for another client, Kitchen Job Tracker. So this particular workbook lets the client set up a number of jobs with a set of milestones for the work that's underway. In this case, it's a kitchen fit out, measure and order and manufacture. There's a set number of days for each of those projects that can be adjusted on each project if need be. And then the start and end date of each milestone is calculated. When they schedule a job, they get the date that comes in for that job. In this case, it's the 18th of February. They click Schedule Job, and it will set the data in the key data sheets here. I won't show these ones too much, but they're basically just where it is. And then there's also the ability to edit a job. So once the person has put the job in place, they can then go and edit a specific milestone and reschedule the days for it. There's also a detailed calendar breakdown by job on basically on a Gantt chart, showing where the particular job is up to, with a legend in this case for this business of the things that are underway, and some key color coding to indicate when things need to happen, as well as a summary calendar across areas of the business that sort of show where each job is up to and what they can expect on a particular day. So there's two things happening in the office on this day. They need to be prepared for that on those two jobs. So just to give a quick demonstration, let's say we have a test job in this case, and we're saying it's going to start on the, we'll say it's starting today, 18th of February, and it's a standard job here, order in with all the measurements. We go schedule job, that job is scheduled, and it will appear here, test job in progress. Now I can go and I'll see that job appear in the lookup list here that can then be adjusted if need be for that job, and we can reschedule it. I can then go and plot that job on the detailed calendar, and we'll see that job appear. Here it is, test job. And I can also display that on the summary calendar. And test job will appear there as well. Here it is here, test. Okay, so that's a quick demonstration of this kitchen job tracker. If you think this is appropriate for your business or your industry, please get in contact with us and we can talk to you about how we can build something similar for you.